Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Sunbeam heating pad, flashing F, reset guide and what the error code means. Fix 1 is reset the heating pad. Unplug the heating pad from the wall outlet, then disconnect the controller from the heating pad if possible. Wait to 30 to 60 seconds, then reconnect the controller firmly. Plug the unit back in and turn it on. Second fix is check the controller connection. Turn off and unplug the heating pad, then make sure the controller connector is fully inserted into the pad. Check for bent pipes, damage or loose connection, then reconnect the test the pad. Third fix is try a different power outlet. Unplug the heating pad, plug it directly into a different wall outlet, then avoid using extension cord or power strips. Turn the heating pad on and check if the error clears. Fourth one is inspect for damage. Check the cord for cuts, fraying or exposed wire, then inspect the pad for fold, burns or damage area. Stop using the heating pad if you find any damage. Fifth one is allow the pad to cool down. Turn off and unplug the heating pad, then let it cool for 15 to 20 minutes. Plug it back in and test it again. Thanks for watching.